Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your class teacher, Ejaz Ahmad Pare, Middle School Khurama, Zone Khumrial. Today, my topic is pollution of air and water, class 8th subject science. First of all, we will discuss here about pollution. Pollution is the process of making land, water, air, or other parts of the environment dirty and not safe or suitable to use. Now we will discuss about how does air get polluted. प्यारे बच्चों, पहले हम हवा के बारे में बात करते हैं कि हवा कैसे आलूदा हो जाता है. The substances which contaminate the air are called air pollutants. जो चीज़ें या जिन सब्सटेंसों से हवा आलूदा हो जाता है. Some natural sources are as smoke and dust arising from forest fires or volcanic eruptions. Pollutants are also added to the atmosphere by human activities. Some sources of air pollutants are factories, power plants, automobile exhausts, and burning of firewoods and dung cake. Problems arises or created due to air pollution. Mostly children are suffering from respiratory problems caused by air pollutions. Vehicles produce high levels of pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and smoke. Carbon monoxide is produced from incomplete burning of fuels such as petrol and diesel. It reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Smoke causes breathing difficulties such as asthma, cough, and wheezing in children. Chlorofluorocarbons used in refrigerators and air conditioners damage the ozone layer of the atmosphere. As you know that ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. प्यारे बच्चों, इस चैप्टर में ताजमहल की भी जिक्र की गई है. Experts have warned that pollutants in air are discoloring its white marble. So not only living things but non-living things like buildings, monuments are also get affected. Now, dear students, what can we do to reduce air pollution? We use CNG instead of petrol in vehicles, generate awareness about air pollution among friends and neighbors, plantation drive, compost pit rather than burning up dry leaves. प्यारे बच्चों, अब आप समझ गए होंगे कि एयर पोल्यूशन के क्या मुज़र असरात हैं, इस पोल्यूशन के ऊपर कैसे रोक लगा सकते हैं, और साथ ही हम ये भी जान गए कि एयर पोल्यूशन से कौन कौन सी बीमारियां पैदा होते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम वाटर पोल्यूशन के बारे में बात करते हैं. एज यू नो दैट वाटर इज प्रेशियस रिसोर्स. वी saw that water is becoming polluted due to increase in population, industries, and agriculture activities. How does water get polluted? People can be seen bathing, washing clothing in rivers. Detergents, fertilizers pollute water. Many industries discharge harmful chemicals into rivers and streams, causing the pollution of water. Excessive quantities of chemicals which get washed from the fields, also causing the pollution of water. Some diseases caused by water pollution, just like cholera, diarrhea, typhoid, dysentery, cancer, hepatitis, intestinal worms, polio, eye infection, neurological problems, liver and kidney damage. Now, dear students, what can we do to reduce water pollution? First of all, investigate the level of awareness about water pollution in your area. Laws for industrial units should be strictly implemented so that polluted water is not disposed of directly into rivers and lakes. Water treatment plants should be installed in all industries areas. At our individual level, we should consciously save water and not waste it. We can think of creative ideas like reusing water used for washing and for other household tasks. For example, water used for washing vegetables may be used to water plants in the garden. I have collected some data and want to share it with you, dear students. How much water do you use every day? We use 2% for drinking, 4% outside use in gardens, 8% washing clothes, 9% other uses, 11% taps, 12% washing dishes, 23% flushing the toilets, 31% showers and baths. How to save water in the garden? Use leftover water. Use it for the washing vegetables to water the garden. Water the plants using a mug. Water the garden early in the morning or late in the evening. Place tub outside to save rainwater and use it to water the garden later. How to save water in kitchen? Wash fruits or vegetables in a bowl of water. Use the flushed RO water to wash cars and bikes. How to save water in bathrooms? Dear students, do not flush tissue paper waste into the toilet. Take shorter baths. Turn off tap after each use. Turn off tap while applying soap. Turn off tap while brushing teeth. Now, dear students and viewers, we take an oath to conserve water and use water wisely. I pledge to consume water judiciously and not even waste a drop of water. We will treat water as the most precious treasure that I possess and consume it accordingly. We pledge to motivate our families, friends, and neighbors to use water wisely and not waste it. It's our planet and only we can save it. Thank you, dear students.